Hi, my name's Jonathon Wilson. I work for Goodwin Development Trust in Hull. I'm architect and capital project manager, managing all building and capital projects. Goodwin Development Trust has been around 20 years. We're based within the geography of a council estate on the edge of Hull city centre, and we deliver a number of services citywide and in some cases nationally. About 2.5 years ago, we were set the task by our board, who are trustees that live on the estate, who set up the organisation 20 years ago, to look at moving into housing in the first instance. We didn't want to just build bog standard housing. We wanted to look at a new approach and look at delivering a housing system and model that would actually inspire the people in the estate in which we work. We set ourselves a brief that we would deliver a high specification, high sustainable, sub £100,000 housing system in effect. And we went out to speak to local construction companies, fabricators, to look at what the market we were working in locally. We came across Waco Premier Interlink about two years ago. We sat down with them, we explained what our brief was, we explained what our board's aspirations were, and they linked in with us from day one. We spent 2 years now working with Waco and Premier Interlink, designing, developing the system that we wanted to tackle. We were interested early on in the off-site construction, and they became our perfect partner. So for the last 2 years we've worked together. We're very happy to say that in January we go on site with a Code 5 3 bedrooms housing development, 5 homes on a council estate on the edge of Hull city centre, that is already receiving a lot of local and national interest. This has sort of brought us on to develop our own housing aspirations, and we look into the future with a working partnership with Waco on another 22 units. These are going to be bungalows rather than houses, using the same off-site construction and modular approach to delivering the properties. I think it's important to add that the reason that we were so interested in the first instance with off-site construction was because we believe that the development of the materials over time has gone leaps and bounds and into a sustainable, efficient way of delivering homes. Certainly in the last 2 years nationally, there is a lot more interest in delivering off-site construction, and we believe that we're at the forefront working in partnership with Waco to do this. The ease of the build, the efficiency, which was key to us in being able to achieve Code 5, and the constant quality control within the factory environment. It's been a good partnership for us. Certainly our boards, our chief exec have welcomed the approach from Waco, and I myself have enjoyed working with Waco over the past 2 years. We very much look forward to going on site in January and running a rolling programme of development in Hull and the locality to the city centre over the next 3 to 4 years. We hope it's a partnership that continues, and we look forward to developing and working with Waco on new technologies moving forward.